What's going on, YouTube and my subscribers? How's y'all's doing? So anyway, I just got done with work. That's why I look the way I do, nice and dirty. But I wanted to give you guys an update on the studio. I got a couple cool things in today, and I thought that maybe I would show you guys what I got. So I bought a RX 580 twin Froza kit, you know, the red and black edition. I bought it off of eBay. Come to find out, what was actually sent to me was a damn empty box. That's right, I paid $260 for an empty box. Now, I will be getting a hold of eBay and be like, hey look, I bought a box for 200 something bucks. Kind of need my money back on that. Yeah, but I'm gonna see if I can keep the box, because technically you didn't send me shit. You sent me an empty cardboard box, and what you want me to do? Send you back an empty cardboard box? It ain't happening. Alright, moving on. I'm shooting this on my camera on my phone, by the way, guys, so I'm not even going to edit it. I'm just going to upload it, put it up, and be done with it. Also, check this out. See this right here? It's sound foam. Now, the cool thing about this is that it is corner. Can you see it? It's corner sound foam, and I bought quite a bit of it. So this is what it looks like, and the whole idea of that, here, let's go into the studio. Alright, I'm going to go over here. Okay, so the whole idea of this corner foam is for it to go like that. See that? It gives it a nice appeal, and hopefully I got enough feet. I got 4 of these, and they're like a foot or so long, so hopefully I got enough to at least run down through here. Also, check this out. See this right here? I was like, you know what? I think something else needs to go there. Something that all tech YouTubers have. And I'm not really sure who started the trend, but hey, I'll jump on the bandwagon. And what am I talking about, guys? This. Every YouTuber has a little plant, right? Every YouTuber, all the tech guys have these little plants just kind of sitting around. I know that Hardware Canucks, the Russian dude, or whatever the hell he is, Dimitri, or whatever his name is. I don't know, I don't follow him. But I do know that every time I see like his thumbnails and stuff, he always has a little plant in it. And I noticed that Linus and some of the other guys, and even Jay, has a little plant. And then the other day I was watching Bitwit and Paul's Hardware, and I noticed that they had a little plant. So I thought about removing this and putting that there. Now I'll probably have to fluff it out, but what do y'all think? I think that looks a lot better than that. And yeah, so that's what that is. That's how that's going to go. I did get some shelving stuff coming in. Oh yeah, did y'all see this one? This is my new shelving unit. It has a light in it and stuff, which is super stellar. I'm way happy about that. Okay, one more thing to show you guys. Where is it at? I don't know what I did with it. Look at this thing. I found this the other day. Look at it. It's a beef, like one of those beef jerky kind of containers. But I thought that this would be great for like holding wires and all kinds of little stuff. I mean, especially since it comes with a rack and everything, you know. I mean, you could take this right here out and just put anything you want, and top of that, it's sealed, so nothing will get in it. I found this on the side of the road. I cleaned it up. Now I got a new fan. Also, I found this right here, this little dolly kind of ordeal. Now, what I thought about that to do with it was put it like together, okay? Put it together, and then I can use it to hold my tripods, all right? Because I have a lot of tripods. So I was going to use that to hold the tripods. A couple more things. Got this in. This is a new rack. I'm not sure what to do with it. I went to the dollar store. Alright, and I got a couple of things that I thought that I could use. I got these nifty little buckets here that I can put, you know, wires. I got so many wires. I have like 1.5 pounds of just SATA. Ugh. So, we got something to put them in. And then I got these little nifty, they're real small, what do you call it, power strips. Real small power strips. And I needed a couple of, you know, small power strips. So that's what that is. And then we got some other things. These right here, I'm going to wash out and use them for containers. This over here, this is a pretty cool situation. It's not quite done yet. I still have a lot of work to do on it. But this right here is going to be my outrigger. I'm going to turn that into a boom arm. So that way I can reach out about 5 or 6 feet and have the camera looking down, or I can pan and zoom or do whatever I want with it. But that's one of the frames and stuff that I'm going to use. And then I got this cool little M&M rack, guys. Check this thing out. You see that? I got that. That's for sale. I'm going to try to get rid of it. I need to get this area cleaned. Needs to be cleaned. Very, very important that we clean the area. Very. So, kind of got my cords and stuff, what do you call it, organized and shit. Circulation of air. Oh my god, dude. I am not sure how I'm going to keep this area cool. So far, I've installed a couple of duct fans, and then I have a fan sitting over there, and then I have one there, and then I was thinking about putting one here and kind of blowing air, and then maybe having 1 or 2 of them over there in the garage to try to circulate. But do you guys, you like the new set so far, huh? You see the garage door box that I covered up? But it's a work in progress. I had to bring in all of these crates. See all them crates that I had to bring in? It's every single one of them is just packed full of stuff. This is what's left of my eBay store. I do have to mail some of this stuff out. Actually, I think 1 or 2 of these things was actually bought from me. But yeah, that's for another day. So, anyway guys, I just kind of wanted to show y'all real quick. Oh, check this out. This is my camera. This is where I keep all my camera equipment and everything. It needs to be organized and stuff. I have microphones in there and amps and, you know, all kinds of little stuff like that in here. And this is my my HD camera. You know, just some other stuff like that. One of the things though is that I have a new camera coming. That's right. Actually, let me rephrase that. I have 2 cameras coming. One of them is a $400 4K camera. It is an actual 4K DSLR style camera. And then on top of that, I got aluminum rig. It's like a shoulder rig and stuff, and then it mounts to the tripod, and you can do all kinds of cool little things with it. And then I got a new studio light to go with that, and I bought some new lenses, like a wide angle, and then like a short caption kind of angle, and then for up close stuff like that. And then I am buying a ultra high def camera. Now, just the body of the camera is like $90, and then you have to buy the lenses and the batteries and then all that other crap, and then by the time you're done with it, it's like $300. So I'm going to invest about $1,000 into cameras. And the reason why I want to do that is because I want the production. I want the quality of my videos to be awesome. Why not, right? If you're going to do it, go big or go the home. Ain't that what they say? So, needless to say, I have a lot to do. This whole area needs to be cleaned up. I really need to do some stuff because I have to get the TV and everything wired up. All the LEDs have to be wired up. All the shelves have to be wired up. And I go from there. So Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I seriously doubt half of y'all even made it to the end of this video. I noticed that my retention, my audience retention is going up. When I first started the channel, I could only keep an audience retention of like 90 seconds. And then it went to 1 minute and 17 seconds. Now it's at 3 minutes. And then just about a week ago, I saw where my audience retention went to 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So, meaning that if I put up a 10-minute video, only about 90% of the people that watch it are only going to watch about 4 minutes of my 10-minute video. So the other, freaking 9 minutes worth, or I'm sorry, 6 minutes worth of video is just, I might as well not even do it. I could, if I would have known that, I would have just be filming the damn ground. It'd be like, hey guys, welcome to my channel, blah, 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 for 4 minutes, and then after 4 minutes, it's just filming the damn ground, because I might as well. But for the ones that do watch my videos, and watch them to the fullest, I do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Also, for the loyalties, and I know who my loyalties are, and I know who the people that watch my channel, because YouTube tells me that. It says that so-and-so watched 100 and some hours or whatever of your channel, or whatever. It actually tells me who watches my channel a lot. And for those that do, I'm going to give away a graphics card. And not just like some cheesy graphics card. I'm going to give away a nice graphics card. Like a $300 graphics card. Stay tuned for that, guys. Giveaway of 2019. Y'all be cool and peace. Till next time.